What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're looking to manage your Gmail right from the Telegram application, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll show you an easy bot that you can use to create or to connect your Gmail app or your Gmail account to your Telegram account and manage your Gmail just in the single Telegram application. So without any further ado, guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Alright, so first thing first, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Telegram application, and not just that, you need to make sure that the Gmail application is installed and that your account that you want to link to your Telegram app is actually connected to the Gmail app. Okay, so first things first, let's get to updating our Telegram application. So you just want to come onto your Play Store and search for Telegram just as so. So once you see Telegram here, you just want to click on this update button if you haven't updated it on your phone. So give it some time to update. So once the app is updated, you just want to click on this open button here, which should take you directly to the Telegram application. Okay, so the reason of us using this latest version of Telegram is just so that some bot or the bot that we are looking to use or that we'll be using in this video should be accessible through the Telegram application. So once you've updated and opened Telegram, just want to click on this search icon here and search for Gmail just as so, and then the first result that come out here that you see Gmail bot, just click through it. This should open you this interface. Okay, so I already started the bot before, but I had to stop it for the purpose of this tutorial. You can go along all these user terms and services, but you just want to click on the start button at the bottom, and this should directly ask you to authorize or authenticate your Gmail account to this Telegram bot. Okay, this is an official bot. Okay, as you can see, it is verified, so you shouldn't be worried about your account with this bot. So just click on this authorize button here to authorize your Gmail account or to link it to this Telegram bot. So let me just click to it and open the link that shows up on this page. You can either sign in to your Gmail account or you create a new one. If you don't still trust the bot, you can create a new account and see how this works first before linking your account. Okay, because with this Telegram bot you can link as many Gmail accounts to it as you want. So if you enable two-step verification for your account, you just want to verify this two-step verification. So after verifying the two-step verification, just accept the terms and then you click continue. And you should be taken to this page. Okay, and then you scroll right here to the bottom, and then you should be able to see what this Gmail bot for Telegram can actually do. Okay, now here the information that you want to give to this bot, or you want this bot to access via your Telegram account, your Gmail account, is upon your choosing. Okay, so you can either select all, where you allow the bot to read, compose, send and permanently delete all of your email from Gmail. You can also allow the bot to manage drafts and send emails. Okay, and don't worry, you can always revoke access to this bot from your Gmail account whenever you want. So I'll just go ahead and select all of that and then continue. Yeah, it should redirect us back to the Telegram application. Okay, the redirect is automatic, but you can continue by clicking through this button. So now we should be taken back to the Telegram application within the Gmail bot interface, and here you can see that you've been able to link your Gmail account to your Telegram application, which should now let you receive emails and reply to them without ever leaving Telegram. Okay, and the bot is going to send you all the new or recent messages that you receive in your Gmail account right here on Telegram. Okay, the messages will be automatically forwarded in your Gmail right onto this Telegram bot. And we need to get more features with this bot, like compose or send messages. You can access this menu tab here, which will let you compose new email, tune notification settings, turn email notifications off. Okay, so this is just a simple menu that will let you manage your Gmail account from this Telegram bot. And again, don't forget that you can revoke access to this Telegram bot within your Gmail account or your Google account whenever you need to do so. That is, of course, if you no longer need to use this Telegram bot. So guys, that's how you get to manage your Gmail account right from the Telegram application. The process is very easy and straightforward to follow, and all you need to do is to authorize the Telegram bot to manage your Google account right from the Telegram application. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and tap the notification bell so that means my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.